Hi guys! Finally, my book is now out. Ako po si Attorney Jeremiah Belhica, pastor ni May po sa marami sa inyo. And my book, Rebuilding Foundations, Touching Base with What Makes a Nation Stand, has been launched recently. And if you are a youth leader, government official, o a government employee, o ikaw po ay Christian leader, or isang simpleng mamamayan who is actually looking for a way to understand the fundamental concepts po sa ating bayan, ating karapatan, o sa ating pong mga pera at mga yaman, true wealth. If you want to understand all of these things more, this book is actually for you. This is already available through our website. Ayan po ay www.pastornimaybelhica.com. So, try to get a copy and I pray that it will become a blessing to each and every one of us. God bless us all.